For decades, Mom Wilhelmina Mini de Canay has exemplified a life of purpose, compassion, and unwavering service. A respected social work professional and social work case management consultant at Kaisahang Buhay Foundation, she continues to inspire generations through her wisdom, dedication, and commitment to helping others. At 90 years old, Ma'am Mini remains actively engaged in mentoring social workers, an extraordinary testament to a lifelong legacy of service. Today, we celebrate not only her milestone birthday, but also the countless lives she has touched and transformed. Happy 90th birthday, Ma'am Mini! Here are heartfelt birthday messages from your KBF family.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Mini! Gusto ko pong magpasalamat sa lahat ng ginagawa ninyo para sa amin. Thank you for patiently reviewing our very long case study reports at sa walang sawang pagbibigay po ng words of wisdom, guidance at learnings na hindi lang nakakatulong sa aming trabaho, kundi pati sa aming personal growth bilang mga social workers. Bilang kapwa Bicolana, masasabi ko pong isa kayo sa pinakamagandang patunay talaga na ang social worker na Bicolana ay tunay na oragon. I truly admire your dedication, passion, and commitment to the profession. Napakarami naming natututunan sa inyo at isa kayo sa mga taong tinitingala ko sa larangan ng social work. My prayer for you is good health, more peace in your heart, more time to enjoy life, and more moments of happiness with the people you love. Naway patuloy po kayong pagpalain ng Panginoon at mabigyan pa ng maraming taon upang magbigay inspirasyon sa mas marami pang social workers. Thank you, Ma'am Mini, for everything that you do. Happiest birthday po and wishing you many more happy, meaningful, and blessed birthdays to come. We love you, Ma'am Mini.
Hello, Ma'am Mini. Happy birthday po and God bless you always. See you soon.
Hi, Ma'am Mini. Happy 90th birthday. Wishing you all the best and many more birthdays to come to you. Thank you for your service and dedication to KBF. We love you and stay healthy.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Mini. I am glad that I met you. Thank you for sharing all your knowledge with us and for sharing your motherhood journey with me. I truly admire how humble you are despite all your achievement. Wishing you a healthy and a long life again. Happy birthday! Say happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy 90th birthday, Ma'am Mini. Salamat sa pagiging mabuting halimbawa at inspirasyon. Naway patuloy kayong pag-ingatan at pagpalain ng Diyos. Happy birthday to you on this special day.
Hi, Ma'am Mini. Happy 90th birthday po. Wish ko po is lagi po kayong healthy and thank you po sa word of wisdom niyo po na hindi nakakasawang pakinggan. Thank you for being kind and inspiration to us, ma'am. To your special day, ma'am. Happy birthday po.
Hello, Ma'am Mini. Happy birthday po. I am grateful for your life, for the wisdom and the knowledge you're sharing with us, pati yung mga stories mo. I enjoy them personally. I pray that the Lord will keep you strong and happy. Happy birthday, Ma'am Mini. We love you.
Hello po, Ma'am Mini. Happy birthday! Thank you po for your time and efforts to help us out. Sarap po ka sa mga nag-inspire sa ako. Tas sobrang marahay kang istorya ng buhay niyo po. Your life is truly an inspiration. I feel grateful to have known someone as kind, funny, caring, and encouraging like you. I pray that God continues to bless your life with good health, happiness, and of course, more opportunities to bring joy to the people around you. Happy birthday po ulit, Ma'am Mini!
Hi, Ma'am Mini! Happy birthday! First of all, I'm really grateful na kayo po yung consultant namin. I wouldn't have such a deeper perspective in looking at my cases without you. So I'm really happy na you're here to guide us and help us along the way. I hope that you enjoy reading more cases. I'll make sure to send them all the way to you. Always remember, you are the best among the rest. Among the rest, you are the best. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ma'am Mini. Happy 90th birthday po. I wish you good health and happiness. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ma'am Mini. Happy 90th birthday. Grateful po ako sa lahat ng natutunan ko sa inyo. Diyos mabalos po sa imo. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ma'am Mini. Happy birthday po. We are truly grateful to have you at KBF and as someone we can look up to. thank you very much po sa lahat ng wisdom and knowledge na sinishare niyo po sa amin. Wishing you a good health, happiness, and many more years to come. May God continue bless you and your family. Happy birthday, Ma'am Minnie!
Happy 90th birthday, Ma'am Minnie! On this special milestone, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for your lifelong dedication to children, families, and the social work profession. Thank you for your continued support and mentorship to the social workers of Kaisahang Buhay Foundation. As you generously mentored many of us in AKAP through the years, I'm truly blessed to be one of those whose professional journey was shaped by your wisdom, guidance, and encouragement. Your passion for developing social workers and your unwavering commitment to child welfare have left a lasting legacy that continues to inspire generations. May God bless you with good health, happiness, and many more years of sharing your wisdom and love. Happy 90th birthday again, Ma'am Minnie. We love you.